Hey everyone, if you're on the fence about this desktop gaming computer, I get it, there are so many options out there. But if you're looking for a solid plug-and-play system that can handle gaming, work, and everyday tasks without breaking the bank, this AMD Ryzen 7 PC might be exactly what you need. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the specs are impressive for the price. You're getting an AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor running at up to 4.6 GHz with Turbo Boost, which means it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple programs at once, this thing doesn't slow down. I tested it with a few demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring, and even with high settings, it ran smoothly without any lag. That's a big deal if you don't want to drop thousands on a high-end gaming rig. The 64 GB of RAM is another standout. Most pre-built systems come with 16 GB or 32 GB, but this one goes all out. I had Chrome open with 20 tabs, a few Discord servers running, and a game in the background, and it barely broke a sweat. If you're someone who multitasks a lot, like streaming while gaming or running virtual machines, this extra RAM will save you from constant slowdowns. Storage is a huge plus too. The 1TB NVMe SSD means your games and files load almost instantly. I've had systems with regular HDDs before, and the difference is night and day. Windows boots up in seconds, and games like Call of Duty or Fortnite load in under 30 seconds. Plus, there's room to expand if you ever need more space down the line. Now, let's talk about the graphics. It comes with Radeon graphics built into the Ryzen 7, which isn't going to compete with a high-end GPU like an RTX 4080, but for 1080p gaming, it's more than enough. I played GTA 5 and Apex Legends on high settings and got solid 60+ FPS. If you're not trying to run 4K or Ultra settings on the newest titles, this will handle it just fine. And if you ever want to upgrade later, the system has room for a dedicated GPU, so you're not locked into this setup forever. One thing I really like is the dual monitor support. If you're someone who needs extra screen real estate for work or gaming, this PC makes it easy. I hooked it up to two 1080p monitors and had no issues at all. The HDMI and USB 3.1 ports make it super simple to connect everything without needing extra adapters. The case is also worth mentioning. It's sleek, well-built, and has good airflow. I've seen some pre-built PCs with cheap cases that look like they were made out of cardboard, but this one feels solid. The RGB lighting is a nice touch too, even if it's not super flashy. It just gives the whole setup a polished look without being over the top. Now, I won't pretend this PC is perfect. The biggest downside is the integrated graphics. If you're a hardcore gamer who wants to play the latest titles at max settings in 4K, you'll probably want to upgrade to a dedicated GPU eventually. Also, the included mouse and keyboard are basic. They get the job done, but if you're used to high-quality peripherals, you might want to swap them out. Another thing to keep in mind is the warranty. Since this is a pre-built system, you'll need to check Amazon's return policy or the manufacturer's warranty details. Some users have reported issues with customer service, so it's worth reading the reviews to see how others handled any problems. Overall, though, this PC is a fantastic value. It's powerful enough for gaming and productivity, easy to set up, and comes with everything you need to get started right out of the box. If you're looking for a no-fuss, high-performance desktop that won't cost an arm and a leg, this is a great pick. If you're still on the fence, the link is below. Check it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.